Dermaplaning. Dermaplaning is a procedure that exfoliates your skin and gets rid of dirt and vellus hair. The exfoliation and hair removal can leave your skin brighter and smoother. The treatment may soften fine lines and ease hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone. It's best to avoid exfoliating your skin 3 days before. You should also try to avoid direct sunlight or tanning. Dermaplaning isn't recommended if you have inflammatory skin conditions such as acne, rosacea, psoriasis, eczema, sunburn. If you enjoy our satisfying videos, follow us and comment. What should we post next?